Hi, my name is Flor.
Hi, my name is Naja.
We have partnered with Dove Men Plus Care to talk about how to co-parent while social distancing. Co-parenting can be a struggle sometimes, so let's be honest. Adding social distancing to it can bring up challenges that we're unfamiliar with. What is co-parenting?
Co-parenting is like a mom and a dad that live in two different households.
Right, and we do everything possible to take care of you. In step one, we basically take care of our essential errands when Nisha's with the other parent. So in this case, Nisha's with me this week. Her mom is taking care of all her grocery shopping, any post office runs, doctor visits, anything that would involve her in leaving the home and coming in contact with others. That way it keeps all of us safe and her out of harm's way. Next week, I will basically do the same on my end. Another precaution we take is to ensure we remove visitations from our home. So our family and friends, although we love them and we want to see them every day and as much as possible, we have put that on pause for now until everything is over, and we utilize video calls so that we can see our friends, right? Our families, and sometimes we do this multiple times a day, and this is something that we ensure in both households to keep ourselves again as safe as possible and away from any potential threats or viruses that we may encounter. So having all these rules will help us keep us safe. But we all know life happens sometimes. And if we, for whatever reason, while we have Nisha, we come in contact with the outside world or with others who may potentially have a virus or are sick in any way, showing symptoms or not, we make sure we take the next step into ensuring that we quarantine ourselves for 14 days. Now, this is outside of our routine schedule, but sometimes this has to be done to ensure the safety, not just for her, but also for the parents. We don't want to be transferring things from one house to the other. So 14-day quarantine is something that we do for ourselves just to make sure we don't catch anything, we don't show any symptoms, and we're not sick. So when she does go over to the next house, everything's good. She's okay, I'm okay, her mom's okay, and we stay safe. So these are the main precautions that we take between both households to ensure all of our safety. Nisha, is there anything else that we're missing to let everyone know how to stay safe?
Well, try to stay 6 feet from other people because they might have the coronavirus, and what might happen is that you might get sick, and other kids got sick before, so you have to try to be careful with other people who have it.
Right, and we don't want to get sick, right? All right. So there you have it. Just make sure you guys stay safe, and that's it, right? All right. Bye, guys.
And wear a mask. Stay safe.